Hello friends, today I'll show you how to repair the pressure switch of automatic washing machine. This is the pressure switch DNS-S1B DNS1B. So we'll be knowing how to replace. There are many videos on how to replace this pressure switch, but I will show you how to repair it. So how do you know that it is damaged or whatsoever? The problem generates when the washing machine shows force I start the washing machine, force I spin. Here it's going on and it's 1E error. It is due to the pressure switch. So I'll show you how to repair it. Do you know? You all of There are many videos how to replace, how to remove, check the color codes. So I'll be showing you how to remove it. Okay, so first of all we must take it out. Okay, I'm moving on it, and so I plugged it out. So before starting repair, check that the pipe connected to it is correct or not. No blockage should be there in this pipe connected to this. If all are okay, then only you must try to repair it. So I must pull it out. Everything is okay. I checked it already. That pipe is okay. So let's check it out. So after I'll show you how to. So this is the pressure switch, water pressure switch. So I'll show you how to repair it. DNS. First of all, you have to open it out from here. I'll show you how it is. So let's go. So let's start. I am opening this. I'm trying to open it. So I had opened it. So this is here, and what's there? I'll show you. This is the main part. This is the sensor which detects the vacuum pressure. So the next step is how to repair it. Due to the according to my assumptions, my knowledge, due to the presence of moisture, the vacuum generated in this pressure switch gets decreased due to time. So to get it fresh again, what do? You have to dry this, completely dry in. You can use a dryer, or you can direct place it under the sun. So I'm doing that only. I'll show you how it works. Let's take it out and this all to the sunny weather. Let's go. Okay. So place this under the sun. This is I think it must be kept for an hour, or you can kept it for more. So wait until it gets dry, completely dry. So we must wait for it. So I think the time is enough. It's more than 1 hour. I must. Let's go. before fixing it again, I must clean it properly. I'm bringing some. Sorry for waiting. Thank you for waiting. So I must clean it properly. The dry cloth. You must remember, you must take a dry cloth. Wait, I forgot spring too. I forgot spring there only. Wait. So let's refix it. Put it inside. Then what to do? Fix it. I think this way. Fix it properly. Add this here. And here is that part. You must fix it properly. And also check that there is a small hole inside it. You must check it. You can see this is blow and pressure of air. So that friends, after repairing this, I had attached it properly with wires. I changed the plug with wires because I just broken it. So let's check it's running or not. So coming here to the screen, spin, let's 4, and let's start. Oh my god, I'm using dry. Much time. So friends, it's working. Congratulations. And here it's working. So I'm holding it. So congratulations, this worked. So now you came to know how to repair it. Good. Hope so. It will help you. Definitely, it will help you. Before buying a new one, you must try this trick. It must be helpful to you. Thank you. Goodbye. And last thing, subscribe me after you get a good result. Okay. No need to subscribe if you doesn't get any results or that. I'm not asking to subscribe or like. But if you get the results, so please comment or subscribe. Thank you. Okay, bye.